Thank you for installing SEO Minion, the helper app that every SEO needs. In this video, you will get a quick overview of all of the features this extension has and how you can use it to save yourself hours of manual SEO work. When you install the SEO Minion extension, you should see the icon at the top right of your address bar. Clicking this icon will open a menu on the right-hand side of your browser. You can then access all of the features within this extension using this menu. Let's start with the first feature, Analyze On-Page SEO. This feature analyzes the HTML of the page you are on and shows you information useful to optimize the on-page SEO on your website. At the top, it shows you the total words and characters on this web page. Below that, you can see the title and description tags. If either of these are empty or are too long, the extension will highlight them with an error icon. It's important to have your target keywords in the title and description. Next up are the canonical and meta robots tags. Under this is a table that shows you all the headings tags on the page. You should have topically and semantically related keywords in your headings. Below the headings table, we show you a list of all images on the web page that don't have any alt attributes. Alt attributes are very important for image SEO. Finally, the table below that shows you the open graph tags. These are used to change how the web page is previewed when the link is shared on social networks like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. The extension will highlight any issues that it finds with your open graph implementation. Let's move on to the next feature, Highlight All Links. This feature simply highlights all the links on a web page in green. You can also choose to only see the internal or external links on a web page. The third feature is called Check Broken Links. This feature checks every single link on the web page and figures out whether there is something wrong with it. All valid links are highlighted in green. Links that lead to 404 error pages are highlighted in yellow. If the link points to a website that no longer exists, this link is highlighted in red. All redirects are highlighted in purple. If a link is highlighted in gray, it means that there is no link associated with the Ahrefs tag. Ideally, all the links should be valid and therefore in green. If you find links of any other type, you will want to fix them. To make it easy to view all the links with issues, you can see them in a table at the bottom. The fourth feature is the SERP preview, and it lets you preview your website in the Google search results. This is very useful when you're creating the title and description for your content based on your main and long tail keywords. You can change the title and description tags and watch them update in real time on a live Google search result. The fifth and final feature is the Google Search Location Simulator. This lets you see non-personalized Google search results for 2 different locations and languages. This is useful if you want to see how your website ranks across different countries for the same keyword. We hope that you find this extension helpful. If you have any questions or if you want any additional features, please email us at support@seominion.com.